the reason I started Foundation Repair Academy was to be able to provide good information. Good information, there's going to be some technical to it, but not to get too technical. As an investor or a homeowner or a home buyer or a realtor or a home inspector or a contractor, you don't want to know all the details. Usually, you just want to know how it's going to get fixed. So sometimes my information might get a little technical, but the goal of Foundation Repair Academy and through my posts is for you just to feel confident and have enough information to make the right decision to save you money. And I'll keep doing these posts and I'll keep providing information. And you can always sign up for Foundation Repair Academy if you wish. FoundationRepairAcademy.com to get more into the details. But that's why I'm doing these posts. And that's why I founded Foundation Repair Academy.